I'm going to show you to make a big
pop.
No noise. So just get a bag with a nappy in it, garbage bin, that's okay. Look at that. Just open it. I think it will take your stuff. And just do this. Get air in the bag. And put your hand in and make a big turn.
Thank you.
Eight legs. Mom, one more. This is it. Right there. We'll show you another one. Okay, that's what I do. That's right now.